Okay, how is everybody doing? Hello guys. Today I will talk about about the US data because let's take a look here. Later in less than 7 minutes, the US, okay, the US is to release its the flash services PMI, flash manufacturing PMI. Later, new home sales, revised consumer sentiment, and as you already know, later tonight we'll have the FOMC meeting minutes. So maybe we'll have high impact events. These are seen as high impact indicators and data and news, breaking news maybe, maybe we'll have sharp movements and high volatility on metals, silver, gold, also on US dollar, on the Japanese yen. So yeah, I will talk about all markets. Stefan, hi from Germany. Hi, how are you? Hello, all good here. Hello. Okay, so as you already know, guys, risk disclaimer: it's important to understand the risks. Trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Okay. And don't forget that learn to trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Thank you, guys. So there are a lot of scamming groups out there trying to impersonate us. Hi sir, how are you? I wanted to ask you why we are not having signals more VIP channel. Yeah, we'll have trades when we'll have high probability trades, because right now, yeah, personally I'm looking here. I'm still looking here at silver. I have a setup, potential setup. I've talked about it earlier today in that video. They really had a terrible 2 weeks. I don't know, guys, because we are still let's take a look on the real account, because I don't know why you don't want to understand that trading is not only about winning trades. Please take a look here. Okay, these are our trades, and we are up with the current trades more than 1%. Okay, and also we are up more than 11% in our real account. So I don't understand you guys. Okay, so what happened to Orlando? No response, no signals for 3 days. So please, if you have questions, so please, guys, personally I'm here as a trader, as a market analyst. It's not my company. So if you have questions related to other traders, please send an email to support. The support team will come back to you. Okay, guys? And yeah, Orlando will come back. Okay, and yeah, let's take a look here. 11.30%. Okay, and with our current trades, we are up with the current trades. We are up plus 12%, more than 12%. So yeah, trading is not only about winning trades. You cannot win every trade. Everything is about money management and the risk management. Yeah. Okay, guys. So if you have questions about services or subscription, okay, you can send an email to support. Do you think that flash services PMI will be greater than forecast? What's your opinion about that? I don't know. So let's wait, guys, because I'm not a magician here. Okay, I cannot say if flash services PMI will be better than expected or worse than expected. But I can tell you this, that if please take a look. So flash services PMI in the red. Okay, sorry, in the contraction territory. 47.8 right now is expected 48.0, and if flash manufacturing PMI will drop below 50.0, then it will signal contraction in the manufacturing sector as well, and this could be bad for the US dollar. Okay, so let's wait, guys. Less than 2 minutes, and then I will try to place also a trade here live. Okay, and because I've talked about gold yesterday as well. I've talked about 1729. I've talked about silver today. Yeah. Why you don't book profit 100? Why you losing good profits with your overconfidence? It was not overconfidence, and personally I've decided to manage that position only because maybe the sentiment will change. Okay, so we had the breakout here. I didn't want it. I don't know if I still have no, I don't have that setup here anymore, but personally I was long from around these levels, okay, and maybe my take profit was here, okay, around these levels. It's fine for me. Please do your thing, and please, you can manage your positions as you want. Okay, if you want to follow my trade management, is fine, but personally my entry was here. It has increased only a little, and my take profit was here. Okay, and right now maybe I will have a new opportunity here. I've decided to manage it. Okay, if it because I didn't want it to the price to turn against me right now, only because it has failed here to stabilize above the R1 or to resume its growth after this temporary drop here. So that's why this is the reason, and I'm looking for potential new longs if it stays above 140.79. okay, I've managed the position and I'm looking for potential new longs because it has developed a potential pattern here, a potential flag. But please take a look here. Yeah, it was a really good decision to manage it here. When I've noticed that the price maybe will fail to take out the R1, maybe I've noticed that in the short term on lower time frames. Please take a look here. Yeah, it has developed a minor flag here as well as a downside pattern. So please guys, if you want to take if you would have liked it to take profit here by 100 pips, it was your call, but my take profit was here. Of course, if the price it would have resumed its growth, it's fine. It's my trade, it's my call, it's my management. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so US 500 swing trade, don't say not your trade because Orlando is not responding. Yeah, it's not my trade. Unfortunately, I will not manage other traders' trades. Yeah, because yeah, as long as Orlando decided to keep it, I cannot do anything. Okay, so I will not do anything. Okay, on that trade. Yeah, and that trade, yeah, it's in the red, but it's still far below the stop loss, guys. And yeah, it was a really good decision here. One moment, because I will refresh the economic calendar. Yeah, worse than expected US data. Whoa, contraction also here. So yeah, that's why I've decided to manage it. Let's take a look on because I believe that, yeah, one moment, because maybe I will place a trade. One moment. And please guys, about US 500, if the US dollar will depreciate versus its rivals after the economic data or after the FOMC meeting minutes, then US 500 will drop again. Okay, so please wait for Orlando's update. Yeah. Okay. And see, always you missing booking profits. Okay, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. At least I'm not losing money. Yeah, it's fine. It's your opinion. So let's take a look here on silver. So let's take a look and let's use, of course, a pending order maybe here in silver. I will share the trade, the levels in the VIP group, guys. But you have to be careful. Sorry, you have to be patient. First of all, I will place my trade. And then I will share the levels into the VIP group. Okay. TP here. Okay, so 0.98. Okay, enter. 0.98. I will share the levels also in the VIP group. On silver, on silver, on silver, on silver. One moment. If you are not a VIP member, you will not get my levels, you will not get my management. One moment. Stop loss 20 point. Okay, 22.147, and this is 1.5. 98. Okay, so you have my levels, and also let's take a look on gold. So you have my my levels. Silver, guys. Yeah, I will come back. I will I will try to answer to your questions as well. One moment, because I had to. How did you decide to on the points to use the pitchfork? On what market? So Diana, gold. We are missing a long opportunity here. So personally, I'm long right now in silver. And I will not place a trade on gold because I don't want to double the risk on metals. Okay, yeah, so I don't want to double the risk on metals. I see. Dear brother, just book 50% with 100 pips always. So you don't understand. No. Yeah, so you don't understand that 100 pips here, maybe here. I don't know if I was. Yeah, maybe I was 100 pips, but maybe with 100 pips, brother, I was only, I don't know, 0. I don't know if I was 0.2 up in my real account. No, I was not 0.5, I was not 1% up in my real account. I was only, I don't know, 0.1, 0.2 in my real account with 100%. Sorry, with 100 pips. I don't know. Yeah, it's really hard for me to understand you. So please, that's why do whatever you want. Take profit at 100 pips if you want, but personally I'm doing my my thing here, and it's up to you if you want to follow my trades, if you want to follow my management or not. It's up to you. Okay. Yeah, really good decision here to manage USD versus the Japanese yen. I will have to take a look on. Yeah, my silver is already in profit. Yeah, it seems that my positions. Yeah, actually my pending orders. Yeah, I will delete my pending orders in Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, only because right now, only because the US dollar rallies, the Japanese yen, sorry, because the US dollar depreciates. the Japanese yen rallies, so I will update the groups as well. Okay. I have to look for those trades because I want to tag Canadian dollar. Yeah, so one moment. Setup was invalidated. Okay, and I will look for other trades, and I will maybe place a new trade here live, maybe a potential US dollar short. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. I hope silver will be profitable and everyone will be happy now. It doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter. It's only 0.98% risk, less than 1% risk, so it's fine, okay? It's fine. If you cannot afford to lose 1% or 0.5, 0.9, or I don't know, yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Let's take a look dollar index because I want to maybe yeah, also I've decided to manage that US dollar versus the Japanese yen when I've noticed here that the sentiment changed, the price dropped it below 107.27. It has invalidated maybe a potential breakout here, so right now I'll wait. It challenges 106.36. So let's take a look. Euro USD. And why do you think, guys, that we are up in our real account? Yeah, in the last months, as I've said, yeah, we had a really bad month in June or July. Let's take a look here, June or July. July, yeah, a really bad month in July. Break even in April, 8.52 in May. 4.21, 8.17, break even, and right now in this month 2.22, and we'll continue to grow the account. So we had only a really bad month in July. It happens, okay? It happens even if you're an experienced trader, but yeah. We'll continue to, and please don't forget, guys, that we are using only 1% risk on a trade, or 0.5 or less than 1%. Okay, so if I would have used 10% maybe, or 2%, this account, it would have been in up, I don't know, it would have been in the green, I don't know, maybe up 20%, 30%, 50%, or I don't know. Yeah, but what we are trying to do here is to trade like professionals. You are here to learn, but yeah. So Euro USD, it's fine. Trading, it's about probabilities. Even if you will register losses as well, I've told you everything is about money management, risk management. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How? Since I started following you, I'm not losing money. Slowly learning risk management. Yeah, it's better to be at break even, guys. It's better to be at break even for 1 year. Okay, it's better to be at break even maybe for 1 year and then to start building something to improve your strategy, your technique, your setups, and then to start taking or to start making profits. Yeah, so it's fine. Okay, or you can maybe close a year in the red, minus 1 2 3 4 5 in 1 year, and then to recover their loss those losses. Yeah, next year or something. But yeah, agree. Okay, Euro USD. Personally, I'm looking for something. It challenges this key level here because I'm looking for a potential new US dollar long. For a potential US dollar long. Sorry, US dollar short. US dollar short. I want to sell the US dollar because the dollar index drops. You can see here the British pound versus the US dollar. Strong rally here. Orlando's position in British pound US dollar is deep in profit. Actually, it's remaining part. US dollar, Japanese yen. Perfect decision today. Yeah, I've closed it above break even, small profit. It's fine because potential upside movement towards the downtrend line here, it was invalidated. Yeah, that's why I've decided to manage my position. SD CAD. Let's refresh the economic calendar because we have also the revised customer sentiment, new home sales. Yeah, better than expected data. That's why the US dollar tries to rebound, to recover. That's why silver retreated a little. Silver, I believe that it has retreated a little. Yeah. Only because we had these the economic data, but in my opinion, customer sentiment. In my opinion, you can see here that flash services PMI dropped it deeper from 47.8 to 46.1, deep in the contraction territory. Also, flash manufacturing PMI, it has dropped it from 50.4 revised to 47.6, deep in the contraction territory as well. So contraction also here in the manufacturing sector. And also later today, guys, we'll have the FOMC meeting minutes and as you already know, the US reported lower inflation in October. That's why the Federal Reserve could deliver only a 50 a strong sell-off also here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Personally, I've decided to manage my position also here when I've saw that when I've noticed that the price will fail to extend its growth. Okay, I've managed my position here at break-even US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Okay, so the Federal Reserve is expected to deliver only 50 basis points rate hike in December. New Zealand dollar US dollar, a new higher high here. And that's why, guys, and also maybe only but it remains to see, guys, because the November inflation data, the CPI and core CPI could be decisive And yeah, if the Federal Reserve will decide to increase the federal funds rate only by 50 basis points in December, also maybe in February or something, maybe this will force the US dollar to lose ground versus its rivals, to depreciate a little in the short term. So maybe I will look here, US dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar breakout. I want the price to maybe to retest the broken level and to confirm its breakout. Yeah. Okay. 0.6216 as key level, as historical level as well. Let's invite more members, maybe, because maybe there are more members who want to join us. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so here it remains to see, because only a false breakout here could signal a potential sell-off here in New Zealand dollar, US dollar. But yeah, as I've said, let's wait, personal wait, to see if the price will validate. If the price validates its breakout. Two, three here. Sorry guys, I have to also to keep an eye on my platform. Hello man, where is the next big Forex event? Okay, so the next big Forex event. So Raymond, tonight we'll have FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, at 7 p.m. UK time. Okay, FOMC meeting minutes, this report, and don't forget that the volatility could be high around this high impact event. Okay, so the FOMC meeting minutes, this report, represent a high impact event. Anything could happen. The volatility could be high. It could have a big impact on gold, silver, US dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, Australian dollar, US dollar. It has escaped from this flag pattern, but right now I'll wait. I will look for something, maybe New Zealand dollar, US dollar, if it validates its breakout here above and through this resistance, and yeah, because after this strong growth, I would like test, retest, accumulation, consolidation before extending its growth. Because right now, where should I put my stop loss? Okay, here, yeah. And a sideways movement here, accumulation, consolidation, could help me to put my stop loss maybe right below 0.6203. Yeah, US dollar, Singapore dollar, because I've talked about this market. Yeah, I talked about this market yesterday, about this flag, and please take a look here. Unfortunately, I was out during, of course, I was in bed during the Asian session, APEC session, when we had this aggressive breakout, and then boom. Okay, it would have been good. That's why it's important, guys, to watch all my videos. Yeah. So that's why it's important, guys, to watch all my videos, to understand the thought process and the scenarios, because yesterday I've talked about a potential new rally here, and yeah, breakout, Unfortunately, I've missed an opportunity only because I was out during the Asian session, APEC session. Yeah, I cannot catch every trade, but that's why I'm looking for new trades. Yeah, I'm not upset about this market because yeah, there are a lot of opportunities in the markets every day. So no, yeah, I'm not. Let's take a look. So again, gold. About gold, guys, please take a look here. Only false breakdown with great separation through 1732, 1729. Right now it tries to maybe to retest the broken downtrend line, the channel's resistance, and in my opinion here making a new higher high, a value breakout above the 23.6 could signal potential further growth. But as you already know, personally I'm long in silver, and I don't want to double the risk on metals, on commodities right now, because anything could happen around the FOMC, and it's fine. I'm risking 1% or less than 1% on silver. It's fine, even if the price turns against me. Okay, it's fine. What's going on with US 500? Christina, GU. What about GU? Let's take a look. US 500. Yeah. I told you guys that in my previous webinar I've talked about 3913, about this key level, key support, about this static support here, flag pattern breakout, sideways movement, new higher high. And yeah, right now only because the US reported or actually let's go back, Forex Factory on the economic calendar, only because the US flash services PMI and flash manufacturing PMI came in worse than expected, guys. It seems that let's take a look also on US 100 and US 30. Yeah, only because the economic data here came in worse than expected, and only because the DXY dropped, the dollar and the US dollar depreciated versus its rivals. That's why the US equities rallied in the short term, or US 100, US 30 are in the green right now. Okay, please take a look also US 30. Yeah, it has taken out this resistance, and as well US 500. US 500 and this level 4041.6 as key level, as key resistance. Okay, as key resistance, and yeah, as you already know, Orlando stop loss is above that level. It remains to see what will happen on how the price will react when it will reach, maybe, or if it fails to reach it, it could retreat again. But yeah, taking out this resistance, this level, making a new higher high could signal potential further growth. Okay. Okay. If you have more questions, Romeo, US 500 goes up to test the daily trend line. It will come back down within 2-3 hours. Just hold and wait. Yeah, wait for Orlando's update. It's not my trade. Okay, US oil. US oil. Yeah, it has found support here, 76.23. Right now, sell off. If it moves sideways here, and if it makes a valid breakout maybe from this pattern, I will look for longs, or if it registers new false breakdowns, I will look for longs. But if it makes a valid breakdown here, I will look for shorts. Okay. Yeah. Yen basket, yeah, strong rebound, only because, so when the US dollar depreciates, when the US dollar drops, and when the dollar index drops, maybe the yen basket will grow, and maybe the Japanese yen will appreciate versus its rivals. Okay, you can use also this correlation. Okay. Okay, so but only a valid breakout here could signal potential larger growth, further growth here, and only something like this will help me to identify new Japanese yen longs. As long as it stays below this downtrend line, test, retest, a new sell-off could bring new Japanese yen shorts. Okay, only valid breakout could bring us new Japanese yen longs. Okay. Bitcoin, yeah, it continues to move sideways. It continues to move sideways. Yeah, but the bias remains bearish, guys. But yeah, a person I've talked about. Ross, oh my god, silver, gold almost the same trend. I just noticed. Yeah. When the price of gold rallies, silver could jump higher as well. And yeah, when the price of gold drops, maybe silver will drop as well. Okay. Okay. So about Bitcoin, I've talked about that. I've talked about this channel, okay, in my previous in my previous webinar. Very risky trade entry in your silver. It's my call, it's my trade. It's up to you if you want to follow the trade or not. Okay. Because if you are not sending trades, you will say, hey, we don't have trades. If you are sending trades and setups, yeah, you don't like because there are risky trades. So I don't understand you guys, because trading it's risky. I'm telling you all the time, trading it's risky, guys. And please don't trade the money that you cannot afford to lose. And also, if you cannot afford to lose 1% on silver, please don't trade, okay? Okay. And please understand that the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance, guys. Trading it's risky. Please understand this. Okay. So Bitcoin. Yeah, I've talked about 15,632 as support, about the downside, the channel's downside line here, sideways movement, but yeah, as you already know, the bias remains bearish despite temporary rebounds. Okay. Also, after taking out this key level here, this former low, yeah, 17,592. Yeah, it's bearish, guys, as long as it stays below this level, despite temporary rebounds or sideways movement. No, silver will not fly to Ross. I hope silver will fly to the moon and Mars. No, yeah, let's hope that silver will come back in profits, and I will try to manage it maybe before the FOMC. I don't know if it's in profit. If it's in the red, I will let it ride because I'm risking only 1%, less than 1%. Trading is risky. The money you afford to lose. True, 100%. Yeah, Ross. Yeah, okay. If you don't have questions, guys, I will end this webinar here, and I will come back with updates later and before the FOMC, and if I'll have US dollar long, as I've said, yeah, potential US dollar long. If I will have a US dollar long, I will take it and I will share the trade in the VIP group. If you want to follow the trade, it's fine. If you don't want to follow it, it's fine as well. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Everything here is only for education. Everything here is only my opinion, only my trades. Everything is only for education, with educational purpose. Okay, so silver here, breakout, retest. Yeah, I'll wait to see how it will react here around the resistance, and if New Zealand dollar US dollar will be able to validate its breakout. Okay, yeah, it seems that I don't have questions. Thank you, guys. I will come back with my trade management on that silver, but as I've said, only 0.98 risk, less than 1%. It's fine. I'm keeping the trade for now. Volatility around the US data, and maybe before the FOMC meeting minutes. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a great day, and I will come back as always with updates, with more analysis videos, trades in the VIP group. Okay, and if you want, if you are only a free member, if you want to join us, you can hit the link below this video. You can use the link below this video, and also I will let's take a look. Also, you can still use that you can still use that code YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount. Okay, YouTube at the checkout to get a 10% discount. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.